Landry. Landry. Come on. Where did Garrett come from, huh? Be nice. Garrett, be nice. I should be saying Landry, huh? You don't even know that cat. Come on. Come on. He's a new outside kitty cat. We don't know him very well. Come on. Come on. There you go. Look at that. Big world out here, huh, Landry? Landry, I think they know about you. They know you're the killer boy, huh? He's got his little stripes too, doesn't he? Don't jump on his back. We don't know him. I know, Garrett. I'll feed you in a minute. Come on. Don't chew on it, Landry. You want mommy to pick you up? Are you tired, huh? Landry, your name must be known. He runs from you, and he's a big old boy, isn't he? You can't understand why they don't want to play with you, huh? You ready to go back inside, huh? You ready to go inside for the day? Okay, have you had your day? Let's go inside.